The optimism about Greece on overseas markets has faded locally. Credit ratings agency Moody's warned that the AAA credit ratings of France and the UK are under threat. In early trade, local shares are weaker. The ASX 200 down about 0.25%. Looking at the movers, the big miners are lower, but Fortescue Metals has surged. In the US, stocks jumped on hopes that Greece can avoid a messy default. The S&P 500 rose nearly 1%. It was mainly a sea of green in Europe on news about Greece. In London, the FT 100 gained nearly 1%. Two commodities and metals prices are weaker. West Texas crude oil, though, jumped above $100 a barrel. Now, credit ratings agency Moody's has cut the investment rankings of several European countries. Moody's cut the ratings of Spain, Italy, Portugal, Slovakia and Malta. It says it made the changes to reflect the risk of contagion from the Eurozone debt crisis. Moody's also put the credit outlooks of France, the UK and Austria on negative, indicating a possible downgrade in the future. And the big miners, BHP Billiton and Rio Tinto, have plans for a more than $4 billion expansion at the giant Escondida copper mine in Chile. BHP Billiton, which runs the mine, plans to spend more than $2 billion to increase production. Rio Tinto will spend more than $1 billion.